All right, today we're making a winter basil.
My name's Lee.
And I'm Bri. Let's get I-Lee+Bri-ated. All right, that's how you make a winter basil. This is fully from Lee's creation. So he came up with this drink and it did not disappoint. It's really, really tasty. I like it a lot. So why don't you tell me about this vanilla silver rum that you got?
Ginger and vanilla is a classic combination. Things like golden falernum, that kind of thing. That's where this idea came from. But this bottle right here is really cool. This is just our silver rum, but I added a couple of vanilla beans in there. Just let it infuse. This particular one has been infusing for a while, just because I only had one bean in there. I was kind of testing things out. But you can throw just a few more beans in there. You can get a bunch of them off Amazon for pretty cheap. And I just cut them up, put a slit down the middle so all the little tiny beans in there can get out, and just let it hang out. I'm just gonna leave that in there just because I want to see how vanilla-y it can get.
Yeah.
But if you find a point where you're cool with that level of vanilla, you can just strain it all out and it'll save it at that flavor.
Oh, cool. I really like it. It's really tasty.
Yeah,
I think you can taste it a little bit in the drink. I definitely think that the basil comes out really strong. And I really like this ginger liqueur you got in there.
So this is Domaine de Canton. It's been around for a long time. It's French. Cool bottle. I've always seen this at a bunch of bars and never really knew what it was, but ginger liqueur. And like I said, ginger and vanilla is a classic cocktail combination of flavors. So that's where that came from. You can use like ginger syrup or something else like that to replace it, but I like this one a lot.
I like that one a lot. It's a little sweet, a little, almost got a little bite to it. I think that's definitely from the ginger.
Yeah, the ginger and lemon in there creates this, it's almost like a citric acid kind of bite, a little sour, but with the heat kind of the ginger.
I almost feel like I'm eating like a Sour Patch Kid kind of vibe. I really like it. And then we just garnished it with a little candied ginger and a basil leaf. And mine fell in, but you can put it in there. And the sugar from the candied ginger is like going into the drink now and it's making it a little bit sweeter. So really cool cocktail. Definitely give this one a try. Especially try out, infusing the silver rum. You can do a lot of different things with that. Get really creative and let us know what you try. But until next time, check out the recipe in the description below and we'll see you guys next week.
Cheers.
Cheers.